Hey guys, this is Sean from Augie SB and me, and today I just want to do a little video on what I do for some of the trim pieces on the Airstream. So, Mothers makes a lot of good products. In my younger days, me and my buddy detailed some cars, and we use this stuff called Carnauba Cleaner Wax. And I'm sure there's some others out there. Anything that will say that it gets rid of oxidation or something will probably be completely appropriate. But the part of the trailer I'm talking about today is this trim piece right here. This trim piece here, which is midway up the cabin, and then the lower piece down here, this wide strip. And as you can see, it gets a buildup of, I don't know if it's a combination of the plastic oxidizing or if it's a combination of road film and that oxidation as well. But what's nice about the Carnauba Cleaner Wax is they actually put some abrasives in it, and it's incredibly fine abrasives. It's not like what some may think, like it's a piece of sandpaper or something. And all I do is I just rub this thing gently, and you'll see the black stuff start coming off of it. And you just work it. Now, the one thing I also do that I forgot to put in the video was I have an acid brush. Those are those cheap brushes you'll see at Lowe's for 50 cents a piece, or Harbor Freight. And I'll take those, cut them shorter to make them stiffer, and go over this after I'm done polishing it out to get deep inside those cracks there. You'll get it with the what I call a rubbing compound. You'll get it clean, but the dry white powder you don't want to stay in there. So I cut one of those acid brushes down, and so whether it's oxidation or whether it's which I think it is, because this is actually a plastic film of chrome, but you can see the difference that it makes very rapidly. So our trailer, I doubt that this has ever been done. Our trailer's about 10 years old, and but it just rejuvenates the whole look. And when you're doing detailing, it's all about the details. So I think you can see that really well. So it just takes a few minutes of light elbow grease. Like I said, the product's working for you. It does have some very, very mild abrasives in it, and then it has Carnauba Cleaner Wax. It has Carnauba inside it, and Carnauba is an extremely high quality, durable wax that is left behind. So I hope that helps you guys out, and I'll have another video coming on helping keep rodents out of your trailer. Okay, thanks. Augie SB and me. Take care. Hey, Augie SB and me, and so today I just want to talk about a simple fix that I hadn't thought of. We had the Airstream stored in a barn, and I had gone underneath. It's all pretty tight underneath, and I took some flexible construction adhesive and just used it as kind of a caulk and joints to keep critters out, whether it's mice or roaches or squirrels or you name it. Anything can get in your trailer. But Donna saw something on the internet about sealing up underneath the hitch. And when you look at your trailer frame, you have 6 inches or so it's like 1x6 box tube, and that's approximate. And then you have the same on the other side, making the V. Well, this is underneath your hitch ball is just a great big opening. So these chains can act as basically a ladder for mice or any other critter that wants to crawl up in there. and they have access to your entire frame rail, and there's through holes apparently in the frame rail, at least according to this gentleman, and I have no reason to doubt him. But I didn't like the idea of it no matter what. So what I did was I bought a pack of coarse steel wool. There's like 4 bricks for each side that come in pads. You know, there's like 8 total, but I took 4 of them, folded them in half, and I packed this whole 6-inch area about 2 inches in. So it was really tight with steel wool, and I bought coarse steel wool. And then I bought some of the spray foam and the crack sealant, or that you buy for insulation, because I like that stuff because it's really like a polyurethane foam that's very sticky and binds very well and expands. So this whole area, this whole 1x6 area on this side, the whole 1x6 area on the other side was packed tight with steel wool. I had about a 2-inch offset, so I packed it into about here. Then I filled the balance with foam all the way up to the top. Make sure you get it all the way up to the top, because you'll forget how high this goes up inside here. And then even though it is polyurethane foam, it is sensitive to UV, and it doesn't have a lot of structural strength. It's pretty tough, but I just thought I'd seal it because this is under constant bombardment with water from the rear tires. So I took 100% silicone and I sealed that off. So I have a layer of steel wool. I have a couple inches of expanding polyurethane foam, and then the face of it is completely sealed off with silicone to keep it water tight. So I thought that was really great counsel, and I was really glad that Donna had read the article, and I hadn't thought of it myself. And it's pretty hard to wow me, but that one really got me, and I think it's great wisdom to do exactly what I did, or something like it. Do whatever you want. I pretty much followed his direction, except for the silicone. I added that little part to it. And the last thing I want is palmetto bugs in the trailer or mice in the trailer. I don't want anything except Augie, SB, and me breathing our air. So that's what I did. And the other thing I did, and it may be simple, it may be overkill, it may do nothing, but the barn that we're in right now, it's a commercial building actually. I've sprayed with Home Defense insecticide. I've done the not only the perimeter of the building interior wise, but also the entire perimeter of the Airstream as well. So that basically, if an insect crosses the line, hopefully they'll go on to meet their maker. But anyway, I hope that helps give you a tip that you can follow, and I hope that'll help your precious Airstream rodent and bug free. Okay? All right. Take it easy. Augie, SB, and me.